Hey guys, welcome to another episode of our channel Explore with Gautam, and this video is especially for game lovers. And today I am talking about Minecraft, how to download Minecraft for free, but Minecraft worth rupees is 500. But today you will have Minecraft for free, and you can see here I have Minecraft which is worth rupees 500. At first I used to play Mastercraft because we should pay money for Minecraft, but today I'll teach you how to download it. First let's uninstall it because I'll teach you also. I have uninstalled. Now go to Chrome. First go to Chrome. And type Minecraft latest APK softonic and click the first link, and here is the option of download. Here is the option of download. You should click that download one and download the APK. It's downloading Minecraft. Download here, and step 1 is click continue or OK or accept to continue with your free and secure download. So let's see, it's downloading. 20 seconds left, 18 seconds. It is of 90.98 MB, and in Play Store you will see that of 500 rupees. I'll show you Minecraft. This one 479.56, that means 500 only, but now it's not totally completed. So let's go back to Chrome. Download complete. Now you can open it. Here you can see cancel and install. Do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. You can install it. It's been installing. It will take some time for installing. Play Store. Minecraft, it has not been downloaded right now. Guys, you can see here, this is Minecraft. I have downloaded Minecraft for free. Let's check it, it's that one only or not. Let's check it. We'll check it in Play Store also. See here, it is the real Minecraft. You can see this one. And now let's check of Play Store. Guys, that time it was showing money, but now uninstall and open option. See, it is the paid version only, that money one Minecraft. So let's create one world and check. So continue. Let's do it in creative and create one world, and I'll show you the features. Join the discussion at Discord. Generating world, and I want to tell you that this is not for trial. It is for the whole time. This is not a trial version. This is full version. For that you need to pay 500, but now it is free. So let's check what is this. It has all the features. See, it has all this. You can see here. Here is this end portal also. I have Ender also, all the things. And let's check how the command will be. So now let's do thunderstorm. Will it be thunderstorm? Oh, it's changing. Oh my god, this is so wonderful, guys. Now time. First let's check weather clear. Will it be clear? Changing to clear weather. Oh my god, guys, it's very awesome. It's changing. So now let's teleport. Where? Steve. What is Steve? Let's check it. We'll teleport. I think so. Steve. I don't have. We are not in multiplayer, so I think so. It will not be. Now time. Let's do sunrise. Yeah, sunrise. Oh, sun is rising that side. Wow.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time.
You can see here, sun is rising. Now, let's paid in full version, but today you are getting it for free. So now, oh my god, it is night, I think so. Yeah, guys. No, day. Oh, okay. Now,
Sorry, but no one's available to answer.
Now, let's give me command block. Let's type give me command block. Give @p command 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 block block command, and you should put this one and block block. Now let's check. Oh my god, we have got command block, guys. Here you can command anything like this. It's so awesome. So that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, don't forget to share, and if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's meet on another episode of our channel Explore with Gautam. Till then, take care and bye bye.